In the world of marketing, even giants can stumble. Take Pepsi's infamous Live for Now campaign, featuring Kendall Jenner in 2017. Designed to harness the power of social movements, it instead trivialized complex social issues, earning widespread backlash. Then there's the case of Coca-Cola's New Coke launch in 1985. The reformulation aimed to rejuvenate the brand's image, but alienated loyal customers, forcing a swift retraction. These blunders teach us crucial lessons. Always understand your audience's sentiments and remain authentic to your brand's core values. Learning from past missteps can pave the way for future success.